Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is how they make the perfectly round pancake. This machine counts faster than how I spend my salary. I could watch the process of making wire mesh all day. Every day will feel like Christmas with these cookie cutters. Thousands of cans are perfectly sealed and ready to go in a blink. All you gotta do is trust the process. How sharp and precise. No wonder we get paper cuts. From a block of material into a slide, the possibilities are endless with this machine. Thanks to laser, it looks as clean as brand new now. Here's the speed and accuracy my mom expects me to have in the kitchen. Maybe I could use this to clear all my flaws as well. The way these machines work so in sync is mesmerizing. It may look like nothing has changed, but actually, another wire mesh is going to be finished. Now I know why my garden never looks good. I didn't have this tool. The machine has done all the hard part. We just need to collect results. A piece of wood is fine-tuned into such a delicate object. The power of a system is it always works so efficiently. Wall painting would not be much of a nightmare anymore. No more hands numbing to make bread, thanks to dough kneading machines. Queen of multitasking, maximum results in shortest time. Both the process and the result are so satisfying. The growth of technology can help preserve and nourish the growth of green. Soon the chair will look like we've just bought it from the store. In a minute, and we already have hundreds of metal rings. Do you know that we need a whole system to produce parts for the machines themselves? Pay close attention to admire all the details the machine created. This vacuum may even clean all the messes in my life. Thanks to the sharp blades, cutting wood feels as smooth as cutting butter. No matter how small and complicated an art is, it cannot challenge this machine. Just a slight off in one tiny detail, and we cannot use this anymore. That's why machines are amazing. It looks so satisfying, but now my mouth's craving for some honey. No matter how hard the material is, this machine still cuts it smoothly. "3D engraving, a large art full of intricate details, could be done in a blink with this technology." Who says factory's a boring place? Every process here is art. Cleaning metal trash is also so much easier now thanks to technology. Laser is amazing with art. This is how they engrave a symbol on wood. If only I could read as fast as this book scanner. Thanks to this tool, shaping metal doesn't require you to be as strong as Hulk anymore. Humans can't braid carbon fiber manually, but they could build a machine. Every part of this chain-making system works so in sync. Respect to the engineers. Everyone will become cleaning geniuses with this equipment. Laser cutting is so powerful. They are precise, fast, and able to make intricate details perfectly. Have you ever wondered about how brushes are made? Watch the magic! Sanding out an airplane's propeller Yule log to make it smooth. Laser cutting. My clumsy hands could never create such a beautiful thing. Turning pages for this machine seems like the easiest job ever.